If your Garmin isn't syncing with your Run app after a run, here's the straightforward way to get it working. First, you download the Run app on your phone from the App Store or Play Store, open it, and log in with your Gmail or whatever email you use. Once you're in, tap your avatar or profile icon, usually in the top corner. From there, go to Connected Apps and Devices. You'll see an option to connect a device or connect Garmin. It'll prompt you to log in your Garmin Connect account. Make sure it's the same account your watch uses. After you authenticate, the link is made. Now your Run app workouts should sync automatically to your Garmin Connect, and from there to your watch. If runs still don't appear, try disconnecting and reconnecting Garmin in the same connected apps section. That often forces the sync to refresh. That's basically it. The setup is super straightforward. Once you connect through your profile, try it, and your runs should start syncing properly again. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.